Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to use eye autofocus on Sony A6400. Let's begin. In order to use this feature, all we need to do is simply go to menu, go to 6th page on the very first, let's say page on the menu settings. And here we will see face/eye autofocus settings. If we click on it, we'll see that currently face/eye priority in autofocus is set to on. We can click on it in order to disable this feature if you want to, but if you want to use it, obviously you want to keep it as enabled. And then we have the option for subject detection, which is human. Of course, you can change it to animal if we prefer to making pictures of animals instead of humans. And lastly, right/left eye select. We can click on it and you can basically detect which eye should have more focus, the right one or the left one. It's best to set it as auto because maybe your subject will move a lot. But if you want to make like a perfect picture, then if the right eye has more exposed, you want to switch to right eye and vice versa in the left eye option, but I will keep it as auto. And I do think that's almost all. Now we have also the face detect, which will basically display a frame around your face, and the animal eye display, which will, well, let's find out. It will basically also display a frame, I believe, when animal eyes are detected. So that's all about settings from face/eye autofocus. And also that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.